Just about an hour ago, something came to our doorstep, and I think you're gonna wanna see it. So without further ado, we just got, oh, it's backwards. We just got the Fellow Espresso Series 1. And we actually got two of them. One of them is chilling out in the showroom, and this one is gonna be used by Wes and Josh, to which they're gonna put it through the ringer so you guys can have a proper overview video about what it's like to actually use this for quite some time. But right now, let's focus on opening this box. Right from the get-go, we decided to go with the malted chocolate. We've been seeing a lot of the cherry red, so we decided to switch things up a bit. And on the back, you just catch some details, talking about the 2-degree temperature control, its guided recipes plus manual mode, assisted steaming, and of course, the precise pressure profiling. But that's enough yapping, let's open this up. I've actually never done an unboxing before, so first time for everything. Oh, hello. Right out the gate, Fellows branding. Probably some manuals, yep, just some manuals. We'll look at that later. It looks like this slides down. This also slides down. Oh, okay, word. There you go. And there it is in all of its glory. Now there's a whole separate box. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's move you right there while we open this up. Portafilter, should be able to, there you go. A little tamper right there. Oh, it comes with cleaning tablets, your very own steam pitcher, another portafilter basket, and it also comes with 2 packs of citric acid descaling powder. Let's put this away. Now, this is what comes in the box. We're super excited, but we also have 2 other accessories to go along with this. We have their knock box, also in malted chocolate because we want everything to match. And we also have the tamping mat. There you go, right there. And lastly, the knock box. Look at that, malted chocolate just to match. Guess we can put this bad boy right here. Boom, there it is. Now, full disclosure, I am not an espresso person. I have never pulled a shot in my life. Hopefully one day I will. Who knows, maybe this will be the machine that will teach me how to do that. But I do know 2 people that are very much espresso connoisseurs, Wes and Josh. And that's a quick little segue for this next bit. We got upcoming videos talking about this guy right here. As I said earlier, if you're in the Calgary area, please stop by the showroom because we have this in the showroom right now. You can see this live and in person. But for those who are outside of Calgary, don't you worry, because Wes and Josh are each going to take turns with this one right here and putting it through the ringer within these next couple of weeks, and we'll be getting back to you with both an overview video and a question and answer. Right now, we are collecting questions through Instagram, through Reddit, through email, through YouTube, anywhere you can imagine to answer your questions about the Espresso Series 1. Because we know you got a lot to ask about. Comment down below and subscribe to find more updates about the Espresso Series 1. Because this thing, I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty darn good.